So start by downloading my template from my Etsy shop and print out all the pieces and designs that you want. I like to use multiple different designs based on what the client is looking for. You want to line up all your pieces, lay them out properly so that they align. And because this bag is 8x6, I cut my straps in half so that they would be able to print out on the cardstock, and then we just glue it back together. Once you get it glued together, then you want to make a little curve in it by just running it along your fingers so that it would be in the shape of a handle. Finish all your embellishments by gluing on all your extra pieces. I decided to go with a little bit of glitter on this one as well with the iridescent paper that I showed you earlier. Now that I have all my pieces assembled and put together, I'm ready to assemble my bag. And I just start out by gluing everything, being careful to make sure that it is centered within the bag and aligning all the pieces on. This template can be sized up or down based on the size of gift you are going to give. I am doing an 8x6 size gift this time, and I just absolutely love the colors that are on this bag. It just blings out. Of course, you can do anything that you want to do with the bag. You don't have to do it the way that I've designed it, but have fun with it. You gotta get the template though in order to do it.